Now, what we have is 16 and 18, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to draw it out. It's not the biggest one that's ever happened. So, 5, 5, oh sorry, 2 minus 4, 2 across minus 4 down, it's your first spot. Minus 2, 4, 2 across 4 up is your second spot. Minus 2, 2, 2 across 2 up is your third spot. And 5, 5, which is 5 across 5 up is your last spot. If you join them together, you will get a quadrilateral, which is a four-sided object, but no real pattern as such, if you know what I'm saying. Now, you choose one of these to bring to 0, 0. Which one will I bring to 0, 0? This one here, the closest one, fair enough. So to bring 2, 2 towards the center, it needs to go 2 across, 2 down. So we're going to move this point to this point here. So what we're going to do is 2 across, 2 down. 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 And what we've created now is a red structure that is similar in size to the black structure, but the key difference is that one of the points is on 0, 0. What's the next step, Nick? From what point? Good man. That point out there, because, yeah, I've cut it into two different triangles, okay? The two triangles I've cut it into are now going to represent it by triangle A and triangle B. Now, the points for triangle A are 0, 2, and what's this one here? 7 across and 3 up. Okay, so triangle A equals a half. The formula x1, y2 minus x2, y1. Going to use a half, bracket, bracket, minus bracket, bracket. It's going to be a half times, now what goes in here, do you think, guys? And, okay, so 0 multiplied by 3, I can do it here, 0, 3, after that, 7, 2. Put it into the calculator and we end up getting a half of minus 14. What's the modulus of minus 14 mean? Just means half of 14. What's half of 14? 7. Make a prediction for me. If A is of size 7, what do you think B will be size of? About 3 or 4 times as big. Anywhere from 20 to 40. Okay, 27 you'd say. Okay. Shh. So guys, here's what we're going to do next. I'm going to do area of B over here. It's going to be a half something multiplied by something minus something multiplied by something. Just using the same formula as above. Now, let's get my points. It's 7, 3 again. And it's going to be 4 minus 6. Is that right? I'm looking at 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. Okay. So, x1, y1, x2, y2. 7 times minus 6. 4 times 3. Minus 42. Minus 12. Half of minus 54. Half of minus 54. Which is 27. 27 plus 7. 34. Area of that specific quadrilateral is 34. How many people got 34? Again. Now, what we have here is minus 2, 2. Minus 2 up, 2 across. We have minus 5, minus 6. Minus 5 across and 6 down. We have 8 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then minus 4 down. And then finally we have 9, 0, which is here. We have a structure, which is a quadrilateral. Okay, and the quadrilateral has 4 sides. No, there's no regular shape there. Which point do you want to drag to the origin? 2 across, 2 down. We're selecting this one here. 2 across, 2 down. 2 across, 2 down. 2 across, 2 down. 2 across, 2 down. And what we've created now is a red structure, or a red quadrilateral, which is exactly the same size as the black quadrilateral. Now, we're going to divide that up diagonally into 2 triangles. Triangle A followed by triangle B. Like last time, the area is a half x1 y2 minus x2 y1, found in your notes. It's a half bracket bracket minus bracket bracket. Okay, and I'm actually going to use that a second time, so I'm just going to yes it is. So just going to copy that down here, and I'll use it later on for B, because I'm lazy. Now, what we're going to do next, guys, is this. We got to find out the points. So we'll start off with A. What points are the two green ones I'm highlighting here? -8. Yeah. And then the other green one? 10 minus 6. Good man. Now we just x1 y1, x2 y2. Doesn't matter if you have it the other way around. Doesn't matter. Okay. Would you like me to reverse it, just for your question? Okay, just for your question, right? So I could have done it that way, but instead I will do it this way, just for Lee, my biggest fan. Now, what we're going to get next is this, guys. Okay, x1 y2, which is going to be, yeah, and after that 10 minus 8 is correct. Put it into the calculator, and it's going to be a half of what? 98. 98, good man. Half of 98? 49, okay? It's 49. Now, area A is 49. So it's 49 big. B is looking smaller, maybe around 30 or 20 somewhere. We'll find out in a second. What I'm going to do next is going to mark B using a different colour. B is now going to be marked in blue. So it was 10 minus 6. And the other blue point is going to be, what's it, 12 and? Oh, sorry, 11 minus 2, excuse me. Because it's 1 across and 4 up, so you're right. So, which way do you want me to label them, Lee? And then x2, y2, okay. So, x1, y2. Okay, and then the other one? 10 minus 2. Put it in a half of minus 66 plus 20. Minus 46. And what's half of minus 46? The modulus doesn't, so it's 23. Yeah, you're right. 23 plus your 49? 72. Okay, how many people got that out?